Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the Mostbet website and my promo code ILBET, which will give you 250 free spins and a 150% bonus on your first deposit. To activate the promo code, go to the site, click Sign Up and choose the method you prefer for registration. Click Add Promo Code and enter ILBET. You can also choose the welcome bonus you want to receive for signing up. Once you've ensured all the details are entered correctly, complete the registration. In addition to the promo code, Mostbet offers a variety of other bonuses. To learn more about them, visit the site, select the Offers section, and then go to Bonuses. Let's summarize. Mostbet is a reliable platform that has been operating for several years and has earned the trust of a vast number of players. Mostbet is built on essential principles for this industry, such as trust, innovation, and loyalty.